Hi, this is UR16CS075 Gopi Krishna, and this is C++ lab experiment number 1. The first program that we'll be demonstrating is to find the number of digits in a number. So we start with the basic lines, that is hash include iostream using namespace std. Then we open a main function int main. We initialize two integers y and x, and we initialize the value of y as equal to 0. Then we give out a cout statement asking the user to enter the number. Using the cin statement, we get the number from the user, which is x. Now we use the if condition. If x is less than 0, that is if x is an negative number, what we do is we multiply the x with -1 so that it becomes a positive number. And else if x is equal to 0, since x is equal to 0, the only number of digits would be equal to 1. Therefore we set the value of x is equal to 1. Now else while x, we use the while condition while x is greater than 0. Now this is the only remaining condition, that is while x is greater than 0. Now we do the division function, which is x is equal to x by 10. We divide the number by 10 until the number becomes 0, that is according to the while loop. And every time the division operation occurs, we increment the value of y. So therefore when for the first division the value of y becomes 1, for the second it becomes 2, and so on. Therefore the number of digits is given by y. So we give the cout statement as the number of digits are /y. The output for this program is as follows. Enter the number. Suppose we give the number as 8964. That is 4 is the number of digits are 4, which is the desired output. As we have verified the first program. The second program that I'll be demonstrating today is to check whether a number is a palindrome or not. We start the program with the basic lines hash include iostream using namespace std, and then we open our main function. We initialize four variables, a, r, number, and reverse. We assign the value of reverse is equal to 0. Then we give out the cout statement where we write enter the number. Here we ask the user to enter a number, and we take the number using the cin statement number. Now we assign the value of number to another variable a. Now a is equal to number, which means that a holds the value or data of the number. Now we use the while condition number greater than 0. Now what we are performing here is the basic program to reverse a number. So whatever is r is equal to n modulus 10. So the modulus operator gives the remainder. So the remainder is stored in the value of r. Now the reverse, which we first initialized as 0, we write the reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus r. Now the number that we got from the user, we divide it by 10, and this number is again passed on to the while loop, and hence the while condition checks until the number is greater than 0, or the number turns out to be 0, while loop ends. Now we use the if condition, the reverse value, if reverse is equal to a. Now a is the variable in which we stored the value from the user. So if the reverse number is equal to the number which we got from the user, the number is a palindrome. Else it is not a palindrome. Now the output for this program is enter the number. Suppose we enter the number 1441. It shows that the number 1441 is a palindrome because the number reads 1441 from the left and 1441 from the right as well. Now let's try for a number which is not a palindrome. We enter the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It shows that it is not a palindrome. Hence the program runs successfully. Hence this is the end of the experiment. Thank you.